Today I am going to take the seventh unit, that is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So everybody knows about the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, what he done. Okay, ma? Let us see what are the figures, what are the pictures out here. Number one is the Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Swami Vivekananda. So when we saw this, we'll remember something. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi fought for the independence. So he sacrificed his life. Okay, so now we are so happy under the Britishers. We worked very hard. So from that we got the independence. So many leaders sacrificed their lives. Number one is the Mahatma Gandhi. Number two is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first home minister. He had a one title, that is the Iron Man of India. Iron Man. I am a very strong man. Number three is the Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. First Prime Minister. And last one is the Swami Vivekananda. Taught about the greatness of the India and the Hinduism in Chicago in America. He taught without fear. These are the greatness of this leader. So here one more thing is, our lesson is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let me know what are the important points. Read this following letter. This is a letter written by Swapna to her friend Kusuma about a project that she is working on. One project that girl is going to do. So she written a letter to her friend. That's Kusuma. So who are writing? Sapna are writing a letter to Kusuma. What is that? About one project. So let will see. Dear Kusuma. So how she started, ma? Dear Kusuma. So while you are writing a letter to your friend, you have to start like this. Dear Kusuma, dear Sunita, dear Mary, dear Geeta, like this. So starting that one. Dear Kusuma. So what are the important points about the B.R. Ambedkar? What she understood, she written. I hope everything goes well with you. First, while we are writing the letter, we have to write the welfare of the people. I am happy. How is your family? How about mommy? Like that, you have to write. Then and they don't start the what are the important point. First para is welfare of the people. With you, I am now rather busy with a project work in my school. The title of the project is Pillars of Modern India. These are the pillars. Some more also. The pillars of the project Modern India. Pillars means foundation. So when we want to build a building, first our the foundation will be very strong. Otherwise, it will going to be false. So what are the pillars of the India? Let me going to know. We have to collect some important incidents that happened in this lives of the eminent. Eminent means great. Eminent means great leader. Laid the foundation for modern India. Now I am working on the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That Swapna is going to take the project on the life of the B.R. Ambedkar. So when she is going to write about the project about the B.R. Ambedkar, definitely she collected some points about the B.R. Ambedkar. I am writing this letter to you. Certain heart-touching incident from the life of Dr. Ambedkar. You see, they are very interesting one. What are the points I collected? They are very interesting one about the B.R. Ambedkar. What are the incidents? So what are the incidents? Let me show some interest, no? So what are the important one? Dr. Bhima Rao. Full name Bhima Rao Ramoji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb. Another name is Baba Saheb. Was born into a Mahar family on 14th April 1891. 1891, B.R. Ambedkar was born on a Mahar family. Then in Madhya Pradesh, Mhow in Madhya Pradesh. So he belongs to the Madhya Pradesh. That is the first point. And second one, Bhima Rao. Bhima Rao means B.R. Ambedkar started experiencing the pangs of untouchability. Pangs of means a feeling of sorrow. Feeling of sorrow, untouchability right from his childhood, untouchability. Now itself also, hither and there we are going to see the untouchable. Untouchable is not the disease. So when our heart is pure, we won't think these are the low caste and higher caste. No casteism. By their working, by their job, we are separating like this. So without the scavenger, how are the roads? You can tell me. So, are you going to clean the roads, ma? We have one lesson also there, no? So, without the peon, without the fisherman, without the barber, how can you live? So, we should not feel, we should remove that one. But here, B.R. Ambedkar felt so many incidents. Untouchability is a very feeling sorrow of them. We should not think, we should remove from the mind. So what are the problems he faced? Untouchability right from his childhood, not in the youth, not in the old man. From the childhood days, where B.R. Ambedkar faced the problem of the untouchability. That means when we think like that, maybe all people taken the Ambedkar far away. Why? Because something. When we read untouchable from his childhood, means from the beginning he was facing the problems of the other people. Untouchable right from his childhood. His father was working in a distant village named Corrigan. Corrigan is the name of the village. B.R. Ambedkar father was working in the Corrigan in village. When Bhima Rao was 9 years old, very young age, 9 years old. He along with his brother and cousin. So Bhima Rao and brother and his cousin. Cousin means father's brother, son or mother's sister's daughter or son. These are known as the cousins. So who are they? Bhima Rao and his brother and cousin. Where they were going? Cousin went to Corrigan to spend some vacation, summer vacation with his father. Village life is very happy, no ma? Very pleasant one, no pollution will be there. So they wanted to meet the father to enjoy in the summer vacation in the village. They had written a letter to his father about their arrival. So they written, father, we are coming, we three are coming. Please come and take us, come and take your village. Like that, they may written a letter. But actually they written a letter. But his father had not received the letter in time. But father didn't receive. Who took the letter? Therefore, he did not come to the railway station to receive the children. They managed to rent a bullock cart for Corrigan. So, when his father was not available in the station, they engaged one cart. They are going in the cart. So, while they were going, what are the problems? They started Corrigan by the cart. The ill treatment, what they given ma? Ill treatment. Ill treatment, that is known as the untouchability. Ill treatment. When the servant will come, are you giving the coffee with the golden cup or silver cup or steel cup? No, we'll give them in separate glass. Why? Because you think it. Okay. So then the manager rent bullock cart for Corrigan. The ill treatment of the cartman. The cartman given the ill treatment to whom? These three. Frightened the children on the way. By midnight, the cart reached a resting place. Beam went to a man there and said, "Sir, we are very thirsty. Sir, we are very thirsty." In the midnight, the three children felt thirsty. So Bhima Rao went to the cartman and asking, "Sir, we felt thirsty. Please give us water to drink." So that is a natural norma. So that Bhima Rao was a 9 years boy. He went and asked water. What the man driver saying? Who has, "Sir, we are very thirsty. Please give us some water." Who has kept water for you? Very harshly, very rudely given the answer. What you are asking? Who has kept the water? No water was there. Actually, to drink water also. what a bad fellow, how rude man, no ma. So that too they were children. So he given that type of the answer. What they did, they who asked water for you, replied the man rudely. How he given the answer, ma? Rudely, very harshly, very cruelly, very cruelly. No water, please let I go and find. No, that is a very good answer. But that man here who has kept the water, very good answer. As he came to know after that, as he came to know that they were Mahar. Bhima Rao born from the Mahar family. When he asked the water, he said that answer. After that, he know Bhima Rao family was born from the Mahar family. For that reason, he has given a place to sleep. He has given a place to sleep. Then with that, they had to sleep that night without food and water. But they didn't give the food and water. They are small children, know how harsh, no ma. A heart is very hard one, like a stone. You should not be like that. Whoever comes to you, please you supply some water or food you ask, you offer. That only leads you a good life. Without giving anything, though you have everything, if you won't give, no, definitely you are going to face the problem. But that is not the good answer. That is not the good habit. We have to provide whatever they need. Helping nature is a very important one. Okay, ma? You should have. Then, food and water. This nightmare incident, when they faced that problem, when they asked the water, if the car driver didn't give, that incident made an indelible impression. They got a very bad impression. Why the man didn't give the water? They are small children, no? They thought like that. They were thinking like that about the car driver. Then in impression on the tender mind of being. Tender means very delicate one, tender heart, delicate heart. Why this uncle didn't give the water? We are feeling very thirsty, no food. We are so very hungry, no ma. But the man didn't provide everything. How harsh, but don't behave like that, ma. That is not the good one. Then they reached Corrigan at 11 in the morning. The next day 11 o'clock they reached. But father, as soon as father saw them, father surprised. But what these people done? They written a letter, but father didn't get. So when they read the Corrigan, father surprised. There was surprised to see them. Later, it was known that is the father's servant had received the letter. Father didn't receive, father's servant received the letter, but the servant didn't give the letter to father. That is the answer. That is the misunderstanding. Okay, ma? Okay, next one. Ambedkar came to know that all persons were not alike. There was a Brahmin teacher in his high school who showed great love and affection for Bhima Rao. But when he was in the high school study, one Brahmin teacher showed a love and affection towards the Bhima Rao. But all the people are not like that only, ma. Okay, all the people are not like that. We should not think about their caste, religion, jobs and everything. So based on their jobs, so we given their occupation like that. So if there is no barber, how can you cut the hair? So we'll go. If you feel this is untouchable, they are the low caste people, what you will get the benefit, what you get the profit. So all are equal. So in your blood also red, my blood also red. All the people blood also red. Then how can you feel? We won't get anything after the death. So here one teacher given the love and affection towards the Bhima Rao. He offered, that master offered meals to Bhim. But the car driver didn't give the water. But this man offered the food during the interval. This teacher left a mark of love on Bhima's life. So when the teacher showed a love and affection towards the Bhima Rao, he got that impression only. He remembered that master only. Why? Because that master showed the love towards the Bhima Rao. But the car driver didn't show that type of the love. But that mark also he remembered. So here two incidents are there. One is the cruel and one is the polite one. One is the impolite, one is the polite one. Okay. Then during the interval, the teacher left a mark of love on Bhima's life. Dr. Ambedkar remembered the teacher throughout his life. So my dear student, so what are the incidents? You must think it. Why? Because God gave the knowledge, what is the right and what is the good. So we won't take anything after the death. We should not feel any caste. No casteism, nothing was there. So we are all one. Unity is the strength. When we are unity, we'll get the strength. When we feel like that, we made more enemies. Okay, ma? So you should be frank. Frank remarks made more enemies. Let it be no problem. So we should be forward. We should give the frank answer. We should be polite one. So helping nature. You should cultivate the helping nature. Whoever may be. That is the very great one. Help. But Mother Teresa also helped the poor people who are living in the slum area. She hugged the leprosy people. Are you going to touch, ma? You won't touch. Why? Because that is untouchable. But how great name she got. Her service was a service. So like that, we also try to help the poor people. We should not feel that is the untouchable. Untouchable word you remove from your minds. So that leads you bad. When you take out, you will be happy. Okay, so half lesson I taught, remaining lesson afterwards I will teach. Okay, ma? Then once again you go through the lesson, you read the lesson carefully with the concentration. You will understand what are the points are there. Okay, ma? Bye.